Pa, we are what dampa, baby D. Bolam ni pa baby the party chairman. When the party chairman will be the presidential candidate, because always can. He be this sketches that could be a dead beba. Bolam ni pa, we are what dampa, baby D. Bolam ni pa baby the party chairman. When the party chairman will be the presidential candidate, because always can. I don't know who know. Because, yeah, we are saying Bcoz somewhere, and Kofu di Omampeni pay. Kofu be di Omampeni pay, and now Mudia, I rehusam Kwana Diba. Hitler said you could not Diba power. Hitler, you told us Swaba. A DNT na German for Sambre no more Tuma Hitler. Hitler, what Bolem complete.
Kwesi, now you're certified so about that.
Hey, now you're more than my committee. And dear Hitler, you see him. That's what I'm here. So, the dear man, oh, baby, why between Akika, Assisi, Bcoz, Abodam for completer, be demon penny. Oh, Nanya Yakono, Yan Shenia, and check. Kwame,
where is
it?
Yamin Pengu.
Hey, now there near Kwu.
Dear Bompire near Yamwajuma.
And Empire.
And what you're sorry, I can be.
Tissika some no so. Nasi a Kotua bar, young Benny Ubia, which me a be part a dear more minor, maybe, and Susan Son, be a kind. And then they say, you're fapping. Yes, Sika. Rascano, say.
Omampanyini kufuwa kansem bintini esi wini penyini adie wase opposition party kanfu bebra na chesemfonso ewo ho hwese NDC regional minister wono na eka kire Kennedy say wono ne bedi ye party ne my friend flag bearer wono elidi wa braba no kra yenkoto ye mesi mumfa party ni ma Kennedy na etse de Kwame A+ beka ye no woni NDC for wa pam oje party na se no e de ahwe wa kwaje contract se wo se
sesi ayi ko ni flag bearer Sabra and Yokoya, and yet no amano. A fein and nipa ye no, ye poton, Amadana for. Inti question. Aso nipa me control Abayamani. Me ton Amadana for Umbeto Ana.
Alright, Abusian. This is the wife of Honorable Kennedy, a Agyapong in Japan, or besides some relevant question, which is very, very nice. But I say, I want to know some business who say, me kuna me preaching who are chremoy, say, ye queen is here, ye bet to me tona. Because, who kuno, why ye near be brave or say, they have video evidence of him. And he say, ye a team queen, say, ye kwa you kunwa, eh? We'll use that 3 years defending him, and you're defending ya. You can't wear now. We are back. The back to back of video evidence of your husband. And kai chairmanship not standing here. Oh, bro, madam, I'm kai bet to but we are thinking of the wankasa wukano. Say ye ni pani we are. If whether we can sell that person against the NDC, and no I can. So I'm happy you brought up this question. They have a lot of things at air chain. The NDC are waiting for us just patiently to elect your husband as a flag bearer. They are just waiting until now. They be on conversation and I no can no votes. No. Those are the NDC people. They are just waiting. They have video evidence of Nkofwa. A lot. What you say? But you know, we are pastors and mucheno. We have a lot of pastors that are waiting. And I'm more than say a krumhano. So for baby will have influence over their church members. It's a turn and saying na Nkofwa beto. I love that man. I love Kennedy Japan. I love him so much. You know, but we should think beyond the box now and what hold on sisi say ye kotom na sisi ha ye be bre sisi na ye this time na ye wa ye tom ukuno ye be bre papa ye be bre anu.
You see, power be minim senya power be abesha wo mu any arrogance. How kumse me yiri gina ho keti yam on office. How kumse ka tell say wo bodam a mechiro say ma bodam chiro. Mechiro MPP say ma bodam chiro how kumse. I swear to God. Mechiro how kumse say ma bodam chiro. Yeah, that is what in presence of my wife keti yam on office. This arrogant woman say wo bodam wa mechiro say ma bodam chiro. Meanwhile walk away nyina so pick up am the man next to the fee. Look, but party, Eric Bawumia himself have nothing against him. But what do you mean? We'll see if you deliver Ashanti region. I'm not going to forgive them. If you know the effort I put in to get numbers in Ashanti region, or they don't want to meet him. They will meet us. And then, what do you want young train? Yeah. I will be saying no make us and no make campaign. Campaign the mayor. But one we are considering you have do a bit tear for so complete. What do you say? Yeah. Just any me ko here. Yeah campaign no na me ntie no asa meko. Akontomra MP me on the video said Agyapong or the deep matam here. There was a programmer Hobsinadoye former girlfriend. Oh yeah bisa ya Canada. Oh Agyapong and why fan tunche. Wow. Baby a politics I don't know. Yeah, see ya wa yam say atanta here. Why Agyapong fan tunche. Oh the mbo hu bi. Yeah, the kind of one here, I'll be a rebel. Now, me a rebel. And ya Alan, the me do man say me see me in your party the more, and someone mechan. What do you say? Now, we mistake now for 2 months and so on. Bantima race course of man, me ma. Mahama, you are a fool. Where Kwesi Apanu and Yonkuba Minister, Mahama Jimmy Fosa. You are a fool. What?
You've insulted presidents, you've insulted chiefs, you've insulted journalists, you've insulted Ifiasha's nigger, you've insulted members of parliament, you've insulted journalists. At least those are all the quotations. Some are in video, some are in text. As a child growing up, I was told not to insult people. You want to be president of the land. Culturally, do these insults stick with the personality you are seeking to be? Agyapong insults his workers for running adverts before his interview. That's one. Agyapong angrily insults Ifiasha's nigger of arrest claims. Showers of insult. Ifiasha's nigger blazes her gun at Agyapong. IGP pardons Agyapong for insults. IGP, former Inspector General of Police, Kudalo. Apparently, you had insulted him and said he was an asshole. You said this on TV. That's what has been quoted as you say. Agyapong pleads with judges after TV insults. You insulted a judge, a number of judges. It doesn't end there. There are several other problems. In fact, Ghana Web has a catalog. They describe it as a dossier. Agyapong insults IGP. And they have a list of people you have insulted there. They put it up there for you. Then look at them. This is Ghana Web. I am out of insults. I'm a gentleman, Agyapong. That sounded like you had repented.
Who said that?
This was you, December 2016. They said you said you would stop. This was your former director of communication. Agyapong in hot waters. Judge summons him over insults. Agyapong shows no mercy on baby mama, replies her insults and apology. Agyapong cautioned and discharged for insulting a judge. This is another headline, myinfo.com. Agyapong insults Sami Dakun, a lawyer, in court, and judge had to intervene. Story. I have corruption evidence that can destroy MPP Kennedy Agyapong. This was 1 year ago. You are condoning and using corruption as a blackmail tool? You want to be
my brother?